Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 7. Welcome to your lecture of English. This is your teacher Aisha Salim. As you all know that the schools are again closed for almost a week, and in this situation we had again started giving video lectures. So hopefully you will all listen your all lectures very carefully and do your homework regularly at your homes. So let's start our today's video. Students, as you all know that we had done with the translation of chapter number 24, catching snakes in the class, in our physical classes, and today is the turn of doing its bookwork. So every one of you will hold your pencils in your hands and open your books, and let's start doing its bookwork. It's on page number 120. We'll start with meaning in context part 2. Choose the best explanation for each expression. You can see that here are written some expressions and each expression has three options. We all have to choose the best answer. Okay, so part A. The wrong sort of clothes means. Students, you can see the reference also here. It's in paragraph 2, line 2 and 3. Okay, so what was the why were his clothes were wrong sort? So the options are clothes that were no longer fashionable, clothes that were too grand for the occasion, clothes that were unsuitable for the job. Yes, which sort of clothes he was wearing, the writer? As he was going to catch the snakes, and it was a banana plantation in a pit, and the pit was too much wide and deep. Uh, he was wearing wrong sort of clothes. Why his clothes were wrong sort? Because he was wearing plimsoll shoes and the thin trousers, and these sort of clothes were not giving any protection against the fangs of gaboon vipers. So that is why his clothes were unsuitable. So the correct answer is clothes that were unsuitable for the job. Part B, the area being clear means. It's on in line number 14 and 15. You can see on page number 119. What does area being clear means? Option A, the area being free from danger, the area being easily seen, the area being well defined. So what was the situation? The situation was that the writer, the person who was catching the snakes were was in the pit, and his friends were lowering him down in the pit, and he suddenly called upon his friends and said that stop lowering me. Why had he said this? Because he wanted to examine the area he was going to stand on. Okay, so why he was going to examine the area, why he wanted to examine that area? Because that area was full of snakes. As he was going to catch the snakes, so the area was full of snakes, so he wanted to examine that was the area being clear. So what is the correct option? The correct option is A option, the area being free from dangers. Okay, so students, these are total 5 expressions, and I have done 2 for you all. Others will be done by your own self. Okay, let us do the next part, part B. Choose the best answer. It is starting from page number 120, and it's on page number 121. Why did the writer borrow his friend's trousers and shoes? G. As we had discussed before about this, that he was not wearing suitable dress for the job, for catching the snakes. So why did he borrow his friend's trousers and shoes? The part A option is he believed that his friends would bring him luck. उसको ये लगता था कि उसके फ्रेंड्स के जो हैं वो उसको लक देंगे, तो शायद इस वजह से उसने बोरो किए थे। या फिर पार्ट बी, ही डिड नॉट वांट हिज ओन टू गेट स्पॉइल्ड और टॉन, वो अपने कपड़ों को जो है बचाना चाहता था, उनको ख़राब नहीं करना चाहता था और ना ही फटा हुआ देखना चाहता था। एंड द पार्ट सी, ही न्यू दैट द स्नेक्स कुड बाइट थ्रू थ्रू हिज ओन। जी, व्हाट्स द करेक्ट ऑप्शन? उसको क्या पार्ट सी इज़ के वो जानता था कि स्नेक्स इसमें इजीली उसे बाइट कर सकते हैं। यस, द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी, as he was wearing plimsoll shoes and thin trousers, so the snakes could bite easily and harm him easily. So the correct option is C, he knew that the snakes could bite through his own. Number 2, when did he ask his friends to stop lowering him? यस, व्हेन डिड ही आस्क, किस वक्त, कौन सा ऐसा पॉइंट था जब उसने अपने फ्रेंड्स को कहा कि मुझे नीचे उतारना बंद करो? देर आर थ्री ऑप्शंस। ही आस्क्ड देम व्हेन ही वाज अबाउट हाफ वे डाउन, ही आस्क्ड देम जस्ट बिफोर ही रीच्ड द बॉटम, ही आस्क्ड देम इमीडिएटली आफ्टर ही एग्जामिन्ड द ग्राउंड। जी, पार्ट ए ऑप्शन इस के वो जब आधे रास्ते तक, आधी पेट तक पहुंच गया था, उसने तब मना किया था। या फिर उसने तब मना किया था जब वो बिल्कुल नीचे उतरने वाला था और बॉटम पे बिल्कुल खड़ा होने वाला था, उस वक्त मना किया था। या फिर उस वक्त मना किया था, ही आस्क्ड देम इमीडिएटली आफ्टर ही एग्जामिन्ड द ग्राउंड, कि जब उसने सारा ग्राउंड एग्जामिन कर लिया था और फिर उसने कहा था कि बस अब मुझे नीचे उतारना बंद करो। नो, ही आस्क्ड देम बिफोर ही रीच द बॉटम, बिल्कुल नीचे उतरने से पहले उसने मना किया था। उसने पहले एग्जामिन किया था उस एरिया को और उसके बाद जो है उसने नीचे लैंड किया था। Okay students, these are also five sentences and I have done two for you all. Others will be done by your own self. It's really very easy and interesting. You can do it very easily. And now here is a diary. You all have to do the book work of chapter number 24 on books. Don't forget to write date and day on the top of the pages, and do your homework regularly. Stay safe at your homes. Enjoy your holidays. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Take care, everyone.